Happy Sunday, everyone. Welcome to today where we reset and get things done, set us up for the week ahead. As a happy homemaker, join me for a few things that make my heart sing. So today it's been raining all day, so it's definitely going to be an inside day today. So I started the morning off with bacon and eggs, such a good breakfast and very filling as well. And then I'm making some pizza subs. All of these bread rolls were given to me from the Buy Nothing group because this was a couple of days before I had done the bread run, and they put it up there if anyone would like some, and I says, oh yes please, because I can't always get these, well, there are no baguette type rolls like this on the bread run that I do, so I happily took these. And it got also helping to use up the leftover ham that we had. We've got shredded cheese there and pineapple as well. So individually, I've made all of them up, and then I cooked some, as you can see here. And then the rest I wrapped up in Glad Wrap, and they went into the fridge because they lasted for a couple of days before they got eaten. And some went into the freezer as well, but they didn't take long. They got devoured pretty quickly. I drink the pineapple juice from the tin as well. It's got good health benefits. And then today I just potted around in the kitchen. I swept part of the floor. I need to come back and mop it later, but people keep walking in and out of my kitchen because it's kind of in the middle of our house. So it's like a thoroughfare. So I just swept up where I could, and the night before I had done a pile of dishes to get some bench space clean so I could film some grocery hauls and also get some cooking done. I keep putting on my to-do list to clean out this corner plastics cupboard and also the stove cupboard because it is just chock-a-block full. This is the Kmart chopper that you've seen me use all the time with the apple things, and oh my gosh, it is a pain to clean, let me tell you. There's all these little crevices on the underside of the lid, and then trying to put it back together. Bits and pieces kept falling out of it. So while it is a great tool, the cleaning aspect of it I am not impressed with. I don't know, if you can get to it pretty quickly once you've used it, it's good, but oh my gosh. So after I've done all of the dishes, I'm just going to give the stovetop a bit of a wipe over, because sometimes if I'm cleaning, cooking and I'm filming, I want to have a pretty nice looking stove, and also it needs being clean. What can I say? I'm also cleaning the toaster today, so I pulled out the little tray that's underneath, and then I tipped the toaster upside down and banged it on the cupboard. I was standing in the way, so I just deleted the footage because you wouldn't have seen it. But now we're going to have a little bit of that burnt toast smell the next time that we use it, but at least it's cleaned out of all the leftover crumbs. I also cleaned the kettle because it needed a really good clean, gave it a scrub on the outside, and then I put in the kettle some water, a couple of dashes of vinegar and this citric acid. I have done cut up lemons before. I will find that it just took too long to boil it. I had to do it 2 or 3 times. So I'm just cutting straight to the chase and just doing straight citric acid. And as you can see, first boil and it's pretty much clean. I tipped the water into the sink because I can then use it to clean this fruit bowl, and then I rinsed the kettle out and I gave it another boil, and then I put the water in the sink again, and then I washed it out again just to make sure there's no smell in the kettle of that vinegar. This fruit bowl I got from the Buy Nothing group, and I swear it sits in the corner just to hold fruit out of the way, because lately no one's been eating the apples, and it's good holding spot for bananas as well, so I know where they are at all times. Time to make some more hard-boiled eggs. I've got 8 eggs, but I only cook 6 because the plan was to make it a cake or something with the last 2 eggs, which I never got around to doing, but yep. So I actually boiled the water this time, and then I put the eggs in there for 10 minutes after that, and they came out beautifully. I didn't film peeling them because I was standing there talking to people in the kitchen while I was doing it, but I put them in a container and they're in the fridge for people to eat through the week, and half of them are gone already. They are a popular snack. I am happy with that. It is all good. And welcome to our lounge room, which is Chinese laundry. I don't mind. It's frugal, drying our clothes inside. The only thing is, yes, we tend to dump a lot of stuff on the couch. Our house is not visitor friendly. We pretty much have no one visit us, so it is what it is. I'm pretty sure the towels got washed last weekend as well, and here they have sat. They were in a basket, but then we needed the basket for something and they just got upturned on the couch. That's what happens all the time. Fitted sheet that I did wash the other week, and I was planning on doing a whole folded up thing, and then I was like, it's about to go on the bed because I'm about to strip the bed and change them out, so I just rolled it up and I'll deal with it later. We've got a whole lot of tea towels here that need folding and putting away. I would have to say that the linen closet is one of, if the only place in the whole house that doesn't need constant attention. Once I decluttered through it and I set it up at the start of the year, it's kind of just sat and stayed. It's been amazing. So the shelves are as they are. The top shelf has all the toilet paper and tissues and any excess of bathroom stuff. This shelf has all the towels in it, and just tucked around the corner, which you can't see, I've got a couple of microfiber cloths, and flat sitting on the shelf as well is some face washes and things. And then on the shelf down below is all the tea towels and all the linen as well. Let's start that again. The shelf here with the box of tissues sitting there, because they're not up the top yet, has all the bedding. And then this shelf down below has all the tea towels, and there's some extra cleaning cloths and things like that here as well. This week I seem to have some apples I've collected from a few different places, including the neighbour gave us some as well. They're all different varieties. Some of them, they look a bit funny, but once I peel them, they'll be totally fine. And one of our neighbours, I think, has an apple tree, so very gratefully accepted. And of course I've turned it into an apple crumble, which is our favourite dessert. Thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate you being here, sharing my day with me as a homemaker. I hope that you have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.